Guys, what is up? Kokosing Valley Central speaking. Well, we're going to do a review on this Tyco HO Scale Union Pacific Diesel F3 here locomotive. We're going to talk about its details here. And we're going to talk about the details on this engine here, and something's not right. Something's not right, you guys. I feel nervous. I'm kind of scared. And let's take this engine off. Something's on the track, and I don't know what it is. Let's take this off the track. What could it be on this track? On the test bench. Oh my goodness. It's a ghost train. Well, let's see if this engine moves. Abby. How can it be moving? This is not right. Well, this is kind of spooky. No tender, no smokestack, no piston rods. And it's running by itself. Well, happy Halloween, you guys. This was just to say, well, this is kind of, I call this the ghost train because it's missing a lot of parts. And I just wanted to have a free laughs with you guys. Guys, have a nice Halloween. This is Kokosing Valley Channel signing out, and I'm hoping you guys have a happy Halloween. I like you guys. Thank you for guys being good friends with me. Hope you guys have a nice night. We'll see you later. This is Kokosing Valley Channel signing out. Guys, have a nice night. Happy Halloween.